Hello my dear students. In today's class, we are going to learn how to draw a triangular prism. Here, for example purpose, I have taken one question, that is, draw a triangle prism of side 40 mm and height 75 mm. So, what you have to do first is, just draw a straight line and a dot. Now on this dot, you have to measure 30 degrees and 90 degrees. That is here and here. That is 30 degrees and 90 degrees. Now just join these lines with these points. Okay. Here. In any isometric object, this is the first procedure you are going to apply. Now see at this. Side is 40 mm. Okay. So side is 40 mm means you have to take 40 mm at the side. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mark here. Then this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mark here. Now with the help of the set square, what you are going to do, you are going to just draw parallel lines to 30 degrees. Okay. So set your set square over here. Okay. Now move and just go till you find 40 mm what we have marked. Just draw a line. Okay. Now come to this side. Okay, this is 30 degrees. Adjust your set square over there. Now move this till what you have drawn, 40 degrees, 40 mm you have marked now. There you have to draw a line. Okay, so this is 40 mm, 40 mm, 40 mm and 40 mm. Okay, now we have to draw what? We have to draw a triangular prism. Okay, so to make the triangle, what you are going to do is this part. Take the midpoint of this. So we have taken 40. So what will be the midpoint? 20. Okay. So this is 20. Mark a point here. Now what you are going to do? Just join this. You have to join this. Okay. Now from here you have to mark what is the height given. It is 75 mm. You have to mark on this 90 degree line. You have to mark 75 mm. See here, I am placing the scale over here. Okay. Now this is 75. So this is A. This is A dash. Okay. This is B and this is C. So again, this is, take the 90 degree line. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to draw parallel lines to B and C. Okay, so take it like this, move it till B, draw a line, move it at C, draw another line. On these lines, how much you have to measure? You have to measure 75. Okay, so measure here 75. So here it is 75. And here again, this is 75. Okay, so B, this will be B dash. This is C, this will be C dash. Okay, now what you are going to do? You just join this. Okay, you have to join this. Okay, now your prism is ready. Now what I have done till here should be light using construction lines. Now what I am going to do is just I am going to highlight this with a sketch pen. So what I am doing now should be made dark. Okay. So this is what we are going to blue and make the prism dark. That is the object line, that is which lines we can see, which is defining the object. Those should be dark. Okay, now this line is hidden. Okay, so hidden means it can't be seen directly. So what we are going to do is we place the dotted line over here. Okay, now what we are going to do, just give the dimensioning. So when you are giving the dimensioning, you have to make extension lines, and to draw the dimension line, take a distance of 8 mm to 1 cm. Sorry, 5 to 8 mm. Okay, distance, and draw like this, and you have to place the arrow. Okay, so vertical line should be 3 times that of the face of the arrow. So how much is this? This is 40. Okay, then here and here. What is the height? Height is 75. So draw like this and break. So I am drawing the vertical line first, then 3 times the arrow head. Okay, I am filling this. Okay, so it is 75. Okay, so prism means bottom surface and the top surface are same. Okay, so then we call that as a prism. Isn't it so easy to draw? Just try once and you will be able to solve this easily. Thank you, students. Meet you in my next video.